For 100 and 100, I don't know how many times. So, the one that are here, all of you, are you sure you are available?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Start with Eva.
Okay.
Say yes, you're available.
Yes.
Nadine. Loris. Sure. Pao.
250%.
Glenn. Monty. Emmanuel. Ali. Nolate. Jeric.
1,000,000%.
Gab. Arian. Mika. Sunenti. Sana. Francesca. May.
I'm not sure. Okay, guys, no.
Sure.
Let's be serious. Energy, I want to see for one. Let's go. Now, is the counting here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. Chest out. Flexion and chest. Up. And bom, 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 bom. Two, okay? If your head goes down and up. Yeah, 7, 8. Here, here, here. Just a little side, okay? Just again from here. Yeah, when you get closer, 6, 7, open and 1, 2, 3, 4, close, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, 2? No, just say, okay, you say, 1, no. 1, 2, 3, no, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, go. 4, 9, yeah. Let's do everything 4 times, so the kids have fun and we remember it easier. Okay, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now turn around. Down the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And quiet. Everybody quiet. 7, 8. And then from here you put it on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You turn around to yourself. 7, 8. Up there, down there, up there.